topic for today is rain and the memories associated with rain. I could
Okay.
not help, it's raining beautifully outside, so I could not help myself but, talk about the rain. So, okay. So, before I begin and we'll start the discussion, I'll just share a short story with you. Okay. So, I have actually been converted. So, I used to dislike rain. Okay. There was a time in my life where I used to dislike rain and I would not step out of the house. Okay. Because I would really not like getting wet. I would always focus on, the streets being dirty and, there's a lot of mud and, garbage around. So this was like my association with rain. Okay. And I was really influenced by my mom because my mom would always, she also used to dislike, she still dislikes rain. And she would always, as a kid, I would, hear her saying, "Oh, it started raining again. It's going to be dirty," and she would not like it. So she would always, I would hear her saying that it's going to be dirty and then going to be wet and stuff like that. So my memory is like I don't like rain. Rain is equal to garbage, and rain is equal to getting dirty and drenched. Okay, and then I got married to a person who just loves rain. My husband is like, I'm yet to come across a person, a bigger, rain lover than my husband. He loves it. Okay. So I got married and we would, hold this discussion during rain. And these are the two aspects. Okay. He would be like, it's beautiful. It's so beautiful. Like he would wait for the monsoon. And the moment it would rain heavily, he would be like, "It's lovely outside. Look at the weather, and look at the birds and trees and stuff like that." And I would be like, "Shit, yeah, it's raining. It's going to rain, and now the streets are going to be dirty." So we have this stark opposite views. But credit to him, I actually have gotten converted, and I have started liking rain so much so that now that if it rains, I have to go out and get myself wet. So how did this perspective change? Every time he would be like, there'll be a small nudge. There'll be a nudge like, you can come out once in the rain, just feel the rain, just see how it feels. And if I would talk about the garbage, you would be like, look at the sky, it's so beautiful, look at the sky. Believe me, and no exaggeration, I've started looking at the sky. I don't look at the garbage dump. I seriously, I start looking at the sky and the clouds, and slowly and gradually I've started liking, and now I've started not just liking, I've started loving rain. Mom, so just see the whole journey from being this hater, disliker of rain. Okay, I used to dislike it, to being neutral, and to today I am loving it. So, I was just thinking about my journey and my memories associated with rain. And I just thought of this topic because we all have such beautiful and, such amazing memories associated with rain. Am I right? All of us have, एक वो जो बारिश आती है ना तो वो it takes you in the past, it takes you down the memory lane, it takes you down that those gappa with chai, garam garam chai and pakoda that you must have shared with your friends, and as kids, those puddles. And so yeah, I was just thinking like that in the West, okay, in the Western countries where there's a lot of snow, they would celebrate the summer. They would just celebrate the summer. So the moment they would have summer, they would start having barbecues, right? यूएस में और वहां पे बहुत स्नो होता है, तो जब भी समर आती है ना तो वो इतने एक्साइटेड हो जाते हैं, तो बाहर निकल जाते हैं अपने वो बार पोर्च में और पेटियो में, वो लोग बारबेक्यू करते हैं, फ्रेंड्स को बुलाते हैं, पार्टी करते हैं. सो समर वहां पे इज एसोसिएटेड विद बारबेक्यू एंड पार्टीज. Likewise, in India, rain is associated with that garam cup of chai, with that garma garam pakoda, right? So the association, yeah, the association of rain, the moment you talk about rain is like piping hot tea or coffee, whatever your preference is, with that, spicy food like vada pav, if you're in Mumbai, with chaat or with pakoda, and the association of the smell of the wet earth, वो जो मिट्टी की वो आती है ना स्मेल, वो सुगंध जो बोलते हैं, How many of you like that mitti ki? I love it. I simply love it. I would just take in, yeah. Do you all like it? That वो जो smell आती है ना, that smell of the earth when it rains. You all can unmute and yeah, start participating now. Like, yeah.
Yeah, yeah. That smell is very good.
Yeah, that smell
Like
is amazing.
mud
Yeah,
when it
yeah.
rains.
Sondi, sondi.
Sondi,
Sondi,
yeah,
sondi
that's
khushbu.
the Punjabi use that word, yeah. So that smell, somebody, I think, I don't know, but somebody's made a perfume out of it. And somebody's made a perfume which smells exactly like the smell of earth when it rains. So they've also created, yeah, a perfume of it. So, that smell of the earth and that, that beautiful noise of the raindrops. अगर आप अंदर बैठे हो तो, बाहर का जो पानी गिर रहा है. So these are the memories, these are the beautiful memories associated with rain. Of course, we have not so very beautiful memories also. जहाँ पे हम फंस गए होते हैं या जहाँ पे ट्रांसपोर्टेशन का इश्यू होता है. बहुत सारे लोग जाते हैं वर्क पे and they get stuck in the rain.
And as children, when it used to rain and we wanted
Yeah,
to play, we'd say, "Rain, rain, go
go
away.
away, come
Little
again.
Johnny wants to play.
Another day.
Yes,
Come
yes.
again another day."
And do you remember Jane ma'am making those paper boats? Do you all used to make
Yes.
paper boats?
Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
हम लोग
I'm
जब स्कूल
sailing
में,
them. I'm sailing them. Yeah.
yeah, making paper
Paper
boats
boat.
and sailing them in the
In the
puddles,
rain. Yes.
Yeah.
So again,
That's
I
very
had the
good.
question, I had the specific question that I wanted to ask you all. Now that Jane ma'am has actually started that, I wanted to ask you what are the specific memories attached to the rain during your childhood. मैंने ये क्वेश्चन लिख के रखा है. तो अभी जब जेन मैम ने मेंशन ही कर दिया है तो टर्न बाय टर्न हम ऑल द फोर ऑफ यू, ओके, वी विल टेक टर्न्स, ओके, एंड ईच वन ऑफ यू विल शेयर योर चाइल्डहुड मेमोरीज विथ रेन. कि कौन सी जो आप अगर आंख बंद करते हो चाइल्डहुड की कौन सी मेमोरीज आपके दिमाग में या जहन में या नजर के सामने आती है एंड यू कैन शेयर विथ मी. ओके, सो या लेट्स गो. नीला मैम से स्टार्ट करते हैं. या नीला मैम. या नीला मैम. या
Yeah.
सो आई जस्ट वाज आस्किंग यू कि आपकी कोई स्पेसिफिक चाइल्डहुड मेमोरीज हो जो आप रेन से मतलब एसोसिएटेड है, आप जो शेयर करना चाहो.
हम स्कूल में जाते थे तो बहुत ट्रेन आता था. हमारा स्कूल लंबा, इसके वास्ते बहुत ब्रेन में भेजा हुआ बहुत अच्छा लगता था वो इस टाइम.
ओके, ओके. या शिरीन मैम, जेन मैम, एनीथिंग एल्स लाइक बहुत सारी चाइल्डहुड मेमोरीज है.
So
Childhood में बेटा
या जेन मैम.
Jane talk.
in the railway.
Come on,
And we
Jane.
used to use big umbrellas. And
Okay.
three of us would go into that umbrella. We would be pushing one another, pushing one
Yeah,
another.
yeah.
Who's going to get wet? Who's going to get wet? And I was always in the center. I used to never like to stamp on anything dirty. I was, ooh, they used to call me
Okay.
dainty lady. They used to call me dainty lady. I would never like to
Okay.
put any puddles or any mud. It used to be real fun, but it used to be real fun.
Real fun, right? Yeah. Shirin ma'am.
Yeah, in the rain, I would just, without raincoat, nothing. You just run here and there. Go. Then one gentleman told me, and ma'am, you take an umbrella. I said, no, I don't want an umbrella.
Yeah. Do you all remember that we used to take a special bag and we carry our raincoat in it during the school? Yeah.
Yeah.
During there was a special bag given to us for carrying the raincoat because it would get wet. Okay, it would not
For
be kept
carrying the raincoat,
along with
but-
the bag. There
Yes.
would be a separate bag, maybe polythene or something, that we would carry. And do you all remember the gumboots we used to wear, that special rain
Yes.
जो boots आते थे? I don't
Black
see
color.
I don't see anybody wearing gumboots now. Yeah, it's
Nobody.
They were fancy ones
But
now.
at that time
They were
also, I
fancy
wouldn't like
ones.
to wear gumboots.
yeah, but you all remember
never
that
used to wear.
special gumboots and that special वो rain
Yes,
के लिए
yes,
आते
black
थे.
color, black color.
Black and red
Yeah,
for
yeah.
girls. They used to make red color. So
But I
Correct.
wouldn't
yeah,
wear it.
You wouldn't, right? Even I wouldn't, because you know that the legs would go in
The
and there would
dirty
be
smell is coming
damp. Yeah,
after
yeah, it would
taking.
get damp.
Yes.
Correct. Yeah.
Yeah. So, you know, that gumboot and the you know, the raincoat, and carrying those gumboot and the raincoat in the school. I mean, and also, like, you know, I mean, if it would rain heavily, as child, I'm talking for myself, my brother and I would eagerly wait, you know, that it would rain heavily and the school would shut. We would wait for it, you know, like we would
Yeah. We used
desperately
to
wait
wait.
for it.
Correct. Yeah,
Yes.
yeah.
Yeah.
We all used to wait. Let it rain heavily so we have a holiday.
Yeah. I mean, we would, as children, as students, we would wait that it should, God, you know, we would
Yeah.
pray, God, it should rain heavily.
Yeah,
God, it
yeah.
should
Let
rain
it
heavily.
the
Because,
holidays
he,
Yes,
yeah.
I
So,
remember
yeah.
a few years back. It was never when we never got soaked in rain. हाथ में
Oh,
अम्ब्रेला होती थी, we would walk और सब भीगते आते जाते सब लोग पूछते आपकी अम्ब्रेला ठीक है कि नहीं नहीं ठीक है but we want to get wet.
so I remember,
Purposely
my,
we come.
सारे
Purposely
गाने
we
याद
come here.
आते हैं. हाँ, रमैया मस्ता भैया जो भी सब बारिश के गाने थे और
oh, बारिश
मेरा
के,
लाखों का सावन जाए and the
I know,
rain,
I
the
know.
romance is there,
See,
the cheerful
would you believe
attitude.
this? How much of rapport that we have? Would you believe this? How much of rapport that we share by now?
Yes,
यहाँ पे I have mentioned the rain songs. I have mentioned कि हम लोग डिस्कस करेंगे कि बारिश के गाने कौन कौन से हैं. मैंने लिख के रखे हैं थोड़े.
okay,
सावन का
yes,
महीना,
better.
फिर
सावन का महीना.
फिर रिमझिम गिरे
बरसात में
सावन का
तुमसे मिले
महीना.
हम बरसात में,
सावन
बरसात
का
में,
महीना.
तुमसे मिले हम हमसे मिले तुम बरसात में.
बरसात.
Yeah.
So you know what? Lot of songs, if you think about it, lot of songs and lot of poems are written about monsoon and rain.
बरसात.
Yes,
Because you know that if you think about it, this, you know, this season of monsoon is such that, you know, it brings in that the romantic side of you. It, you know, kind of rekindles
Yes.
the romantic side of you, the poetic side of you. जब शायरी भी आ जाती है, you know, बारिश में लोगों के, you know, वो शायरी का भी मूड आ जाता
बहुत
है, right?
You know that Raj
Yeah.
Kapoor picture, that small two children under the shower.
प्यार हुआ,
क्या
इकरार
प्यार
हुआ.
हुआ, इकरार हुआ.
चाय
प्यार
और
से
पकोड़े का भी मन हो जाता है.
अरे चाय एंड दैट्स व्हाट आई एम
चाय
सेइंग
और
कि
पकोड़े.
बारिश इंडिया में बारिश का एसोसिएशन अगर किसी को भी पूछो ना, कोई भी इंडियन हो, इट कुड बी नॉर्थ, इट कुड बी साउथ, इट कुड बी एनीवेयर, स्पेशली इन द नॉर्दर्न साइड, किसी को भी पूछो ना तो बारिश का मतलब इज इक्वल टू चाय एंड पकौड़ा.
Yes.
चाय और पकोड़े.
And among the Gujaratis, bhajia.
हाँ, वो चाय और पकौड़ा मतलब वो प्याज के पकौड़े स्पेशली, राइट? ज्यादा का वो प्याज के जो गर्मा गर्म पकौड़े होते हैं, और यू नो ऑल टाइप्स ऑफ. सो ड्यूरिंग, आई मीन, नाउ थिंग्स हैव चेंज फॉर आवर किड्स. मतलब बहुत चेंज हो गया है आजकल. कोई चाय और पकौड़ा ये यंगर जनरेशन नहीं खाता है. बट आज हम लोग की जो जनरेशन, हमारा और आपका जनरेशन है, आज भी बारिश में चाय और पकौड़ा बनाते हैं. Do you all make it?
खाते ही है, बच्चे भी
खाते
खाते
ही
ही है.
बच्चे भी
It's a
खाते हैं.
garam garam chana.
खाते हैं
Chana,
कि नहीं?
1 gram, 40 gram.
भुट्टा खाते हैं आजकल बच्चे. भुट्टा खाते
भुट्टा,
हैं.
राइट
भुट्टा
राइट, भुट्टा
खाते हैं.
भुट्टा, यस
भुट्टा
यस
तो
यस
खाना
यस.
चाहिए.
Yes, 5 grams.
Yeah.
भुट्टे
Boiled
का
corn.
सीजन, बॉइल्ड कॉर्न की सब वैरायटी.
Boiled
और
corn के वो चूल्हे
और
पे जब बनाते हैं ना, वो तो बहुत अच्छा
भुट्टा जो
लगता है.
सेक के,
सिगड़ी
हाँ,
के
बहुत अच्छा
ऊपर.
लगता है. सिगड़ी
सिगड़ी
पे.
के ऊपर.
कोयले पर.
तो
हाँ,
ये सब
Yes.
एसोसिएशन, हाँ, वो भुट्टा, राइट, यू राइट, भुट्टा है, चाय पकोड़ा है,
Yes.
स्पाइसी फूड है. सो या
Yes.
एंड थिंक ऑफ दिस.
भुट्टे के ऊपर
हाँ, पहले जब ज्यादा
लाल
बारिश
मिर्ची,
आती,
नींबू लगा के
परफेक्ट, यू नो,
मुंह
लाल
में
मिर्ची.
पानी आ जाता है.
अभी भी मेरे मुंह में पानी आ गया, बिकॉज
पानी आ जाता
हमने इतनी खाने की बात की, सो मुंह में पानी आ गया.
है. बहुत पानी आ गया मेरे मुंह में, तो बहुत पानी आ गया.
But you know, yeah. So this specific, these the ones we talked about, like bhutta, let's say chai pakoda, are very specific to Indian this thing country, of our country. Very
Yes.
specific, है ना? दिस इज आवर कंट्री स्पेसिफिक, कि ये चाय और ये हमारे जो इंडियन कल्चर का वो एक स्पेसिफिक वो एस्पेक्ट है when it's the monsoon season,
Yeah.
right? And I was just thinking that nature also, it's so beautiful. Like just think of this, okay? Now little on the philosophical side, okay? खाने की बातें
Yeah.
हो गई तो थोड़ा अभी थोड़ा फिलोसॉफी के साइड भी जाते हैं कि आई वाज जस्ट थिंकिंग दैट द कॉन्ट्रास्ट दैट वी हैव इज सो ब्यूटीफुल. कॉन्ट्रास्ट एज इन जो गर्मी में हम लोग फील करते हैं, इट्स स्कॉर्चिंग हॉट, इट्स and you're just waiting for that cool breeze or that coolness, that dampness in the atmosphere. The moment it rains, that contrast from going from that scorching heat in the May, it's scorching, right? People are like waiting, and then the contrast of the rain in the June, it's beautiful, है ना? वो जो हम लोग शिफ्ट करते हैं ना कि फ्रॉम द स्कॉर्चिंग हीट टू दैट वंडरफुल रेन इन द मंथ ऑफ जून. और इंडियन स्पेशली अवर सब कॉन्टिनेंट इंडिया में तो वी हैव वेरी स्पेसिफिक डिवीजन. देयर आर लॉट ऑफ कंट्रीज वेर इट रेन्स ऑलमोस्ट. यहाँ पे इंग्लैंड में इट रेन्स वेन एवर कभी भी रेन होती है. बट इंडिया में स्पेसिफिकली हम लोग का 4 4 महीना वेरी स्पेसिफिक. एटलीस्ट इन बॉम्बे वी हैव दैट 4 months of summer, almost 4 months of rainy season, monsoon, and 4 months of winter. Very specifically divided, right? Lot of countries don't have this specific division. If लंदन में आप जाओ तो लंदन में 3 तरह का वेदर एक ही दिन में होता है. इट इज हॉट, then suddenly it starts raining.
No, when I was
Hmm.
when I was in UK last year, we would be
Okay.
getting out in the morning.
Hmm.
There would be bright sunshine. Little
Yeah.
further, if we would go, it's dark and cloudy. It used to pour and pour and pour.
Exactly.
And then after that, it used to be so cold. So I used to tell them, you all have 4 seasons in one day.
One
In
day,
one day.
exactly.
Which
Exactly.
4 seasons all divided into one year.
4
It's in
seasons
one
in one.
day.
They say, no,
Yeah.
there's this saying, right? London weather is as unpredictable as a
One
woman's
day.
nature. Very unpredictable. पता ही नहीं चलता है कब क्या हो.
Yeah.
यहाँ पे इंडिया में we have very
It used
specific
to be
seasons.
terrible.
Yeah, because see, it's like what, and
हाँ.
see, and hence the climate related depression भी वहां पे होता है बहुत. Because वहां पे climate related depression बहुत सारी countries में है because वहां पे sun नहीं आता है बहुत, right? And इंडिया में ये हम समझ नहीं पा रहे हैं.
Yeah.
The importance of sun is so much. The importance of sunlight. Okay, really, people don't understand how important sunlight is. We get it. We are getting it, in abundance. Almost for 200 plus days, in our country, we are getting it in abundance, but we are not actually, understanding or realizing the importance. It's very,
We are
very, very.
lucky.
We are very lucky, and we all should, do sunbathing.
Mm.
All of us should do sunbathing. Welcome, Seerat ma'am. So, yeah, just for your information, Seerat ma'am, the topic for today is rain and the memories associated with rain. So we had this wonderful discussion about bhaji and kanda bhaji and vada pav and bhutta and the memories of rain. So वही सब बातें चल रही है childhood की. And so any specific memories that you would want to share, Seerat ma'am?
Yes, bete. If you are in Amritsar, वहाँ है ना
Okay.
गोल्डन टेम्पल, उसके
हाँ.
चारों तरफ छोले भटूरे एंड पकौड़े. पकौड़े
Oh.
इतने बड़े बिग साइज बैंगन एंड फुल
हाँ, हाँ.
स्लाइसेस दे मेक इट. यस.
बैंगन के पकोड़े.
एंड बारिश आ रही है एंड
Oh,
सरोवर
wow.
में बारिश पड़ रही. Very romantic. Bete, I'll tell you a joke. Recently, a boy
Okay.
from village, he bought a new umbrella. And when
Okay.
he comes home, तो उसमें बड़ा सा छेद था. बोलते I got it. Why? कहता मालूम कैसे पड़ेगा कि बारिश बंद हो गई है.
Okay. Good one.
उसने अम्ब्रेला में छेद डाल दिया कि पता लगता है बारिश आ रही है कि बारिश नहीं आती. बेटे चार्ली चैपलिन के बहुत है when बारिश आ रही है, how he acts. बहुत है.
But Seerat ma'am, you said पकौड़े मतलब ये अपने बैंगन के पकौड़े आपने बोला. बैंगन के
बड़े बड़े. हाँ जी.
Okay.
बारिश के दिनों में बहुत उसमें खास ढाबे होते हैं. Punjabi dal, tandoori
अच्छा,
roti, and
okay.
pakode. Pakode is a
Pakode.
must, and especially during the monsoons.
During the monsoon, yeah, because Bombay में you get to see a lot of kanda bhaji. You know, Bombay has this kanda,
Yes,
like
yes.
whatever, pyaz ke,
And
bhaji.
and
Paneer
you see
butter
the Punjabis, their tummy is falling out of their pants belts. इतने
But
बड़े खा खा के मोटे हो
Punjabi, see, Seerat ma'am, Punjabis are known for their love of food. They are known, right? It's like, yeah, they love their
देखो,
food. And
खाते भी अच्छे हैं, खिलाते भी अच्छे हैं,
हाँ, I was
सबको
about to say it. I was about to say very generous
बहुत गुड
while
वाले होते
eating and very generous while feeding others also.
Generous.
Yeah,
हैं.
yeah, yeah.
Yes.
So
Good.
this is something new that I got to hear कि मानसून में अमृतसर के आजू बाजू बैंगन के पकौड़े, which I didn't know.
बहुत
Yes,
excellent. Yes.
Okay,
हाँ.
good.
okay. And
And
any child.
पकौड़ों वाली कड़ी and all, everywhere fried चलता है.
So childhood memories तो हमने सीरत मैम बात की कि do you remember the raincoats and the gumboots that we used to
Yes.
carry to the school? हाँ. So अभी जो बात करेंगे young age में, when you were young, okay, हाँ,
When
तभी
you
कोई
were young, yes. Once
So
upon
अभी
a
आप
time हो गया.
once upon a time when you were young, तो बारिश की कोई ऐसे शेयर मत करो, लेकिन कोई रोमांटिक कहानी हो तो आपके फेस पे अभी स्माइल आ जाएगी.
वो तो
I
चलती
wouldn't
है,
want you to.
रेनी सीजन में रोमांटिक कहानियां चलती है, अंडर द शेड ऑफ अ ट्री.
Yeah.
हाँ, बारिश होने दे, अपना काम अपन करे.
अरे वाह, see,
वो बेटे मधु
That's the
वाला
life,
वो
young life.
बरसात की रात भूल
हाँ,
नहीं
बरसात की रात.
सकते वो बस.
yeah, such
There's a
wonderful,
wonderful ghazal
wonderful
by
songs.
Jagdish Singh.
Wonderful songs, no, associated with
Wonderful
it.
life.
Such wonderful songs, like even if you hear today, and it takes you back the memory lane. इतने beautiful songs हैं.
वो रात, हाँ, बरसात की.
बरसात की
And
रात.
Jagdish Singh has a ghazal. कोई मुझे
बरसात
बचपन
में
लौटा
हमसे
दे, वो
मिले तुम,
पानी की नौका और
तुमसे
पानी
मिले
में
हम.
बहना, कागज
गाना
की
है ना.
नौका को पानी में बहना.
कागज की
हम्म.
नौका को. Okay, I haven't heard that one. बरसात में तुमसे
बहुत
मिले,
अच्छा,
हाँ, वो सुना
उसकी
है.
गजल बहुत अच्छी है. कोई
My
मुझे
favorite song is ये वाला जो है ना, रिम झिम गिरे सावन. रिम
हाँ.
झिम गिरे
रिम
सावन,
सावन, पीछे आगे.
जाए मन, बीते आज इस मौसम में, लगी कैसी ये अगन. Yeah, this is my favorite song, monsoon song.
very
So
good.
actually, so I was just sharing earlier. I will not share it again, but in short, सीरत मैम मैंने इसीलिए स्टार्ट किया और आज मानसून के बारे में, बिकॉज मैंने इनके साथ शेयर किया व्हेन आई वाज इन स्कूल. ओके, आई यूज्ड टू डिसलाइक मानसून. ओके, वहां से
Okay.
आज मेरी जर्नी है that my husband actually converted me. Now I am a monsoon lover. I am a monsoon lover. So
Okay.
all the credit goes to my husband, who actually kept pushing, year on year kept pushing that no, monsoon is so beautiful. Just
But
look
then
out.
he has romance in his blood.
Very good.
He
Romance
converted
and
you
more,
to
yeah,
love the monsoons. Yes,
yeah.
bete.
And but more than that, Seerat, ma'am, you know what? He was like, the nature is, at its best during monsoon. So he would be like, कि किसी को मानसून कैसे अच्छा नहीं लगता है, लाइक वो मुझे वो देख के ऐसे वंडर करेगा, अरे मानसून अच्छा नहीं लगता है. You look outside, it's like the entire thing, if you travel actually. Do you all travel during monsoon? If you travel during monsoon anywhere in Maharashtra, especially Maharashtra, I don't know if you've traveled
And
Maharashtra.
Goa also.
या गोवा.
Goa
महाराष्ट्र
is
is
गोवा इज
नीला
बेस्ट.
मैम को पता होगा, नीला मैम है ना, आपको पता होगा. महाराष्ट्र इज, जब मानसून आता है, महाराष्ट्र इज एट इट्स most beautiful self. Most, yeah, you're right, ma'am.
After Nashik, you reach Saputara.
Yeah,
From
Saputara.
there,
सापुतारा इज गुड.
Oh, that's beautiful
Yes.
in monsoon.
Beautiful.
So
वो
fine.
आगे है ना, भंडारदारा एक लेक है वहां पे आगे,
Yes, yes.
भंडारदारा करके.
Yes.
And that Konkan, पूरा जो Konkan strip है ना, from like the whole entire Konkan strip is so amazing. So it is beautiful. But I mean, very few people living in Mumbai would go to Maharashtra and explore the
Yes.
beauty. It is wonderful,
Very beautiful.
Yeah.
But not in the
So
rainy season.
Very beautiful.
yeah,
Dry
And
season, we
especially,
have been to Konkan and everywhere, but not in the rainy season.
Shirin ma'am, you should go to Konkan in the rainy season. I'm telling you the
No,
drive,
but
the
we
whole
feel scared,
see, I mean, yeah, the risk is, I mean, it's quite
Risk is there. Therefore,
the
once
roads
we
are quite
travel, but
better.
not
Yeah, true, true. I agree with you
when
that Indian
I
roads.
saw monsoon, one big heavy rain, we were on the
heavy rain.
cruise and at the swimming pool. Everybody collects at the swimming pool and rains. It was that what you are saying, pakoda, all
Pakoda.
fried. They were
Goa is
coming up.
also good, rainy.
Yeah. And I mean, conversations during that proper अगर बहुत heavily rain कर रहा है, right? And वो हम लोग जो बैठते हैं और वो जो conversations होते हैं ना, वो तो lifetime memories है. कभी कभार जो साथ में बैठ के वो जो conversations होते हैं, family हो या friends हो, कभी बाहर गए हो, those conversations are like for life. The memories are for like, you
Memories
still
are
remember.
और बेटे जब your husband says love monsoon, जब वो बिजली कड़कती है तब he needs it. His wife should know what monsoon. He will go to
That's the romantic aspect. I agree. But even if keeping aside that romantic aspect, what he loves is every year, like he's like, the entire landscape changes, the entire beauty of the place. If you go to a place
even the
during,
garden, the flowers,
yeah,
the fruits,
yeah,
the
the
eggs.
flowers,
So
exactly,
beautiful.
exactly.
Yes.
So beautiful. And the green also in various shades of green. आप जब ट्रैवल करते हो ना तो आप देखते हो कि ग्रीन के भी एक ग्रीन के जो होता है ना पेड़ के इतने रजिया मैम देखा होगा इतने सारे ग्रीन के शेड्स होते हैं
Yeah.
कभी मतलब हम लोग लिटरली ग्रीन के इतने सारे शेड्स होते हैं you right from the dark green and light green and parrot green and amazing
एकदम
Yeah, amazing.
इतने प्यारे
ग्रीन
शेड्स
शेड
ग्रीन
बहुत अच्छे लगते हो
Getting green
बहुत
is the
बहुत
color
अच्छा
of the heart.
green is
Your
the color of the heart.
yes,
Yes. And
yes.
you know what? You see, and it touches your heart also. See, whenever you see greenery देखते हैं ना, whenever you come across trees and plants, एक
Yes.
अंदर different एक feeling ही अलग आती है, right? Mostly there's a different kind of maybe the heart chakra, it relates to that.
आंखों को भी
That's
ठंडक लगती है
आंखों को भी ठंडक
Yeah,
लगती है
आंखों
रजिया.
को
right,
ठंडक
right.
लगती है
Yeah.
बहुत
और
ठंडक
mind भी है ना automatically mind भी
Yes.
को उसमें चला
फ्रेश हो
जाता है
जाता है
थोड़ा शांत हो
Calm
जाता है
रहता
जैसे
है.
सीख
Yes.
ऑटोमेटिकली हो जाता है वो देखा है कि जब भी
Automatically becomes calm. Yes.
automatically it goes into that that
Right, right.
zen alpha state so it's like
Yes.
so yeah
घर
this
के गार्डन के भी चेंज हो जाता है सब घर का गार्डन जो है वो फ्रेश दिखने
yes
लगता है
yes yes
Fresh,
fresh
पत्ते एकदम
एकदम
फ्रेश और चमकदार हो जाते हैं
और
चमकदार हो जाते
especially
हैं जो अपन
रास्ते में
डेली
आप
पानी डालते हैं उसमें वो
हाँ
डेली जो पानी डालते हैं उसमें और रेन के पानी से जो झाड़ों में
रेन
वो
जान
के
अलग
आती
पानी
है
में अलग
वो तो
इसकी
देखने की बात है वो
अलग
see Razia
इसकी
ma'am they are
खुशबू और
also
ब्यूटी रहती है.
yeah they are living beings right they are also maybe so
Yes.
happy
हम्म,
they
Yes.
are also expressing their happiness because they are also
हम्म,
happy to receive
Yes,
monsoon तो वो जो
I
happiness
see
दिखती है
everybody happy here because of the rain.
And I would like to
They
play
are
in the
a good
rain,
topic.
the
Yeah.
drizzle of the
हम्म,
rain.
The entire the reason I was like I'm not going to talk about anything else today there is going to be no gyan today would just be dedicated to this
Just
beautiful rain क्योंकि इतनी प्यारी बारिश आ रही है तो मैंने सोचा ये सेशन तो बारिश के लिए ही होना चाहिए this
How good.
should
और ये बहुत
purely
अच्छा.
be yeah
The
so I
session
was
is
like
very
today
enjoyable.
yeah Krishna Raj ji
वैसे
so
मैं अपने पकौड़े बनवाने लगी हूँ. If the pakoras could reach you,
I will also
bought
have
some
to go for pakoda because too much of talking about pakoda and
Now,
corn is actually
today
being
you make a cup.
बनवाऊंगी.
Today
I'm
you make
salivating.
pakora.
Yeah, so I'll lead the pakoda now today. So I was
Yeah,
thinking
and eat
today,
it well.
no talking about philosophy, nothing. We'll
Nothing
just
but
go back to
pakora.
the
और बेटे
memory
गर्मी
lane
के पकौड़े.
Pakora and
and
garam
talk
chai.
about it. So all of us
Spices and
today,
garam.
all of us are going to now go back to pakoda and whatever that
Pakoda.
spicy food we can.
पकौड़े
So
पराठे, पंजाबी
Now
पराठे.
ask Mr. Iyer what is his views.
I don't know if he knows about the topic or not because he's joined quite late. So I don't know if he knows.
He gives a little summary.
Okay, pakoda is something. So actually, Mr. Iyer, we were talking about we just went down the memory lane and we were just talking about the childhood memories related to rain, and the memories associated with rain. And all of us, talked about, I don't know if you share the this thing about the raincoat we used to carry, during our school. Now things have changed, but the gum boots and the raincoats, which were like very unique and specific to our Indian, and the chai and the pakoda. I mean, so yeah, these are the memories that we were sharing. That how
Yeah,
was it
children
different?
have a
हमारे
very unique way of enjoying the
हमारे
rain.
यहाँ
Yeah, agree. I agree with you. It's changed a lot. Nowadays, if it rains heavily, they have a very different concept of how to enjoy. But for us, I still remember the highlight of rainy season for us. My mother and still my mother-in-law would make garma garam chai, and my father would keep ordering. After every 2 hours, garma garam chai ho jaye. I mean, so that is something I remember. That you keep asking, or chai ho jaye, and my mom would be like, so this is quite specific to our Indian monsoon. And like I said, I mean, summers in the West is equivalent to barbecues and parties, and monsoon in India is equivalent to our vada pav and bhajia pav and stuff like that. So, yeah,
Yes,
that
right.
is,
But I'm also enjoying the rain. You can see.
yeah, it's beautiful. Yeah, yeah,
Yes,
yeah.
I have come to a church in Mahim.
Oh, wow. Wow, wow. It's amazing today. It's like really rained, properly. Like,
Yes,
yeah, we can see
really
the
train.
backdrop is beautiful. Yeah, yeah. Thanks for sharing.
Yes.